Welcome to our guide on understanding the components of IoT. In this video, we'll delve into the key elements that make up the Internet of Things, a technology shaping our connected world. Let's get started. Sensors are the eyes and ears of IoT. They collect data from the environment. Examples include temperature sensors, motion detectors, and light sensors. IoT devices rely on various connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and cellular networks to transmit and receive data. Processors are the brains of IoT device. They process data received from sensors and make decisions based on predefined algorithms. Actuators are responsible for taking actions based on the processed data. They can perform tasks like turning on a light, adjusting a thermostat, or controlling a motor. IoT devices communicate using specific protocols. Some common examples include MQTT, CoAP, and HTTP, which ensure seamless data exchange. IoT devices often leverage cloud computing for storage, processing, and analysis for large volume of data. These enables real-time insights and remote control. A user interface allows us to interact with IoT devices. This can be through mobile apps, web interfaces, or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant.
Navigate to Palakkad. Your destination is arrived.
Thank you, Google Map.
Ensuring the security of IoT device is crucial. Measures like encryption, authentication, and regular software updates protect it against potential threats. IoT devices can be powered by batteries, electricity, or energy harvesting methods like solar panels. Edge computing brings processing closer to the data source, reducing latency and enabling faster decision making. This is especially important for time-sensitive applications. Machine learning and artificial intelligence enhance IoT capabilities by allowing devices to learn from data, make predictions, and adapt to.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
How are you? How are you?
How are you? How was the day?
How was the day? How was the day?
How was the day? Hi.
Make me